Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need to prove ownership before removing any account lock. Gather the original receipt, box serial/MA, and any seller correspondence. This speeds support requests. Once done, confirm whether an Apple ID or Samsung account is associated by checking settings or the device lock screen message. Make sure the phone is charged and online so support can reach it remotely. These steps prevent futile bypass attempts and give you the documentation support teams require to remove. You should contact the prior owner first and request they remove the device from iCloud or their Samsung account. That is the fastest lawful fix. If they cannot, contact Apple support or Samsung support and submit proof of purchase and the device MA. Explain the situation and follow their verified removal process. Once you submit documents, keep the case number and monitor email. Support will confirm identity and then clear the activation lock through their systems, which is secure and reversible. If remote removal stalls, take the device, your ID, and proof of purchase to an authorized Apple or Samsung service center. Technicians can validate documents and complete official removal or advise next steps. If ownership still can't be established, contact the seller or your carrier to request a return or refund. Make sure you get a written case outcome from support. This helps escalate the issue or file a consumer complaint if necessary. If you run into delays, document dates and contacts to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.